Which are the 5 skincare habits you should avoid? Starting from today, why not? Hi Face Yogis, how are you? This is Maria Pamboukidi. I am a certified Face Yoga Method teacher, part of the Face Yoga Method coaching team, and also the coach for our lovely Face Yoga Method community on Facebook. Today, I would like to share with you some tips about skincare. Habit number 1. Skincare does not stop at your jawline. Your face does not finish here. Treat your neck and your décolletage the same way you take care of your face. Actually, you should take care of your neck even better than you do take care of your face. Clean, tone, and hydrate intensively every day, all day. Habit number 2. Skipping sunscreen. Use sunscreen every time you're leaving the house. Even if the sun doesn't shine, UVA rays are there even on a cloudy day. If you're concerned about vitamin D, you could spend some minutes outdoors without sunscreen early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when the sun is not that harmful. Habit number 3. Neglecting your eyes. Not only the skin around your eyes is thinner, but it is also the victim of a lot of abuse, like eye makeup and then the way we remove our makeup. Stop rubbing, be gentle, and always apply a cream under your eyes. Again, not just once or twice a day, but anytime your skin needs more hydration. It really makes a difference. Habit number 4. I will put this together, drinking alcohol and coffee. If you do so, remember to drink at least 3 cups of water for every cup of coffee you consume. The same applies to alcohol, since those two dehydrate your skin. In any case, what is best for you and your skin is to avoid both of them. Habit number 5. This one is about the way you apply your cream. I have my cream here. It's a Whipped Oxygen Moisturizing Cream, and this is what I like doing. I like to push the cream into the skin. Do not pull your face down. Do not create more wrinkles by rubbing your skin. Just push the cream in everywhere, like this, and then do some tapping to give some extra boost and energy to your skin. And also help your skin absorb the cream better and faster. I like doing tapping every time I apply my cream. It feels so good. I hope you liked my tips about the skincare habits you should avoid. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to continue your Face Yoga Method journey, you can click the link in the description and download your freebie Face Yoga routine. Have a great, beautiful day, Face Yogis. Love you all. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.